Hey everybody. So, it has been a really fun week so far with the construction that's going on with the garage. A while back, I am sure if you guys have been following me for a while, you remember that we had a leak in our roof. It was under warranty. The guy totally wouldn't come and fix it, skipped town. It was really bad. So we had somebody else come out and redo our roof. We don't have a shingle roof. We have a flat roof here in Arizona. A lot of times, like, we have elastomeric, like, white roofs, especially on the older houses. They don't really do them for new houses anymore. So we paid a decent amount of money to have that done. And unfortunately, my contractor got up on our roof yesterday and he said, "Hey, do you want me to get you a bid to have your roof redone?" And I said, "What are you talking about? Why would I want my roof redone? I just had it redone." And I got up there and my elastomeric is peeling. I can peel it with my fingernail off of our roof. So needless to say, that was not good. Hi Lisa, hey Amanda. So it's just been really bad, like to the point of, you know, we've realized that there's rot probably happening underneath what was supposedly fixed, and it's just gotten worse and worse, and moisture's probably got trapped in there, and needless to say, my contractor has gone out and gotten us a quote to have our entire roof redone. So including the new garage, the whole entire roof on our existing structure, everything. I think we're gonna have to upgrade to shingles. There's no reason to keep dealing with the mess of having to re-elastomeric a roof every 2 to 3 years, or in our case, every year at this point. We've only lived in this house for 2 years. So, yeah, I feel like I moved into a money pit sometimes. It is what it is. I feel better now that the quote came in. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. You get numbers that like run in your head and you're like, oh my God, this is gonna be like an amazing amount of money to get this done. But so far I'm feeling okay. My contractor's a really great guy, friend of a friend, and so yeah, I'm feeling better today. Yesterday was really, really bad. Yesterday was a very bad day. So I didn't get on yesterday because you would not have wanted to see me yesterday. I was angry, I was upset. A lot of emotions going on. So, but today I'm excited because I just picked up this super awesome Waterfall dresser. The handles are gonna totally get replaced on this girl, but I'm so excited because I posted a picture of it too, so check it out, the picture without the map on it. But look, so here's the map, and I don't know if you guys can figure it out. Nobody's commented and said, oh, it's a map of blah. I'm not gonna tell you. You guys have to figure it out. It's on the East Coast, if that helps. But I am so excited because I think this is gonna look amazing. I'm gonna try to match like the gray, tans, browns that are in here, and it's gonna kind of go on the center right here on the drawers, and so I'm gonna be really brave and try to do this live with you guys as I work through the process of decoupaging. I'm not doing it today, but today you get to open my box of Dixie Belle with me. So I got some Dixie Belle paint and I'm super excited to open it up. I kind of forgot what I ordered, so I'm like, yay. It is not New York, Lisa. I'm a little disappointed that you would say that to me. I am not a fan of the Yanks in New York. So because I'm not from New York. So definitely not New York. But yeah, so I'm super excited to kind of, I finally found a piece that I've had this for a while. I've had this paper for a while. I ordered it a long time. I was going to use it for a different project. I didn't. Yay! Good job, Lisa. Ding, 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 ding. Yes, it's Boston. So, of course, near and dear to my heart that it is definitely Boston. Awesome. Good job, Debbie. So, yes, I'm super excited. Again, it's going to be kind of centered in the middle. I'm thinking doing like a really like creams and grays and stuff on the edging to match, and then probably like the top. I think I posted a picture of the top. I think I did. But the top will be like a dark stain or something like that. That's kind of what I'm thinking. That's what I'm heading towards. So, but yeah, so that's kind of where I'm going with this, and I think it's gonna look so cool. So check out the pictures that I posted of it, so you can see the front of it without this map on it, and then you can go from there. Thanks, Angie. I love this print. I was super excited when I found it, so I'm really excited to see if I can actually make it work. We'll see. I get really nervous when I decoupage, but there's like another project coming up where I have a plan for decoupaging too. So for some reason, I've been like on this kick of I'm gonna decoupage and paint. So you guys can ride the train with me while I do stuff like that. But anyways, I am gonna do this. So you guys can see what I see while I go ahead and open this box up from Dixie Belle. So the hardware is, I'm not a fan of the hardware. It's actually not metal. So I have hardware on order, and I will show you the hardware. No, I'm not keeping it. She will be for sale. At least I don't think I'm gonna keep it. She will bless you. She will most likely be up for sale. So yeah. So but who knows? I have a dresser that I want to do like a elephant, like decoupage like an elephant on the front of it, and possibly keep it. So I'm waiting for some paper to come in. Hi Nettle, are you going to help? Yes, you're going to help, huh, buddy? So Keter is here, little Keaton, wiggles, snuggles. I know it's plastic, but I have some really cool ones coming in, I promise, and I think they'll look really cool. They're brass. I ordered them in brass, but I might make them like a dark black. So we'll kind of see how they work. If they don't work, I'll change it out to maybe like some drop poles or something like that. So we'll kind of see what works best with the pattern and the map and stuff like that. So yeah, hi. I know a mommy has to get in here. You want to snuggle, huh? I know, we give kisses. So this is my little guy right here. You guys all know Keaton. So he's gonna help. Are you gonna help me while I open this? I'm excited. Mommy wants to see what she got, huh? All right. And I seriously can't remember. Hey, Holland. Oh, thanks, Angie. So I seriously can't remember what I got. Is that bad? I'm excited though. I know I picked some good colors. At least I think they did. I know I have a black in here. I do like the caviar from Dixie Belle. I didn't get a knife, I just got scissors, so let's rip this puppy open. Alright, I kind of want to see, okay, so paper. Black, yes, exactly. Ooh. Alright, what is this? Is this my little brush that I got? Oh, yes. Yay! You guys, I am a total like brush fiend. That's a nice way of putting it. Sometimes I just call myself a brush whore. But ooh, I'm excited. So this is, I haven't used Dixie Belle brushes yet. So I'm super excited. It's one of these they're little mini brushes. So I'm super excited to be able to try this out. Maybe I'll use it on this piece. So I'm really excited about that. Is it weird having like an aerial view of what I can see? Thought it would be kind of cool, right? Okay, and then I know I got 6 different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 6 different colors of paint. So, and I got colors that I don't have yet. So, yeah, this one, well, this is it looks kind of like a Purdy, actually. It's a 2-inch brush. It looks like a Purdy that you could get. Oh, Lisa, what colors did you get? Ooh, I'm super excited about that. I love brushes. And I also love it when they give you a big enough like hole right in here so you can hang them. Because I have my brush like wine corky thing. So yeah. So I'm kind of excited about that. Oh, that's right. I got their slick stick. So I'm actually super excited to try this. So it's supposed to help bond to glossy surfaces and things like that. So I figured I'd give it a try and just check it out. So I totally forgot about that I got the slick stick. So yay. All right. Other colors. Oh, that's right. I'm like, oh, that's right. I got these colors. Okay. So I got the Pure Ocean, which I'm super excited about. So this is the Pure Ocean. And there's the all the way around, right? And then, I love how I have all this extra bubble wrap too. It's so fun to play with. Peacock and Palmetto. Okay, so I have Peacock, and guess what? I just got the Palmetto. And I actually really heard that it's really pretty if you mix, I think it's the Peacock, the Palmetto, and the Bunker Hill Blue. So you might want to get, the Bunker Hill Blue is really pretty. I used that on, that buffet that I painted with you guys. I used the Peacock and the Bunker Hill Blue. Ooh, that's right. See, I forget what colors I order all the time. It's so fun to have different colors in your arsenal though. I mean, seriously. Okay, so I got the Caviar, which I already have the Caviar, but you can't have enough black. I really do. I love black. I love black like by itself, but I also love to use black to dry brush, just like I use white to dry brush to kind of accent. So the blacks and the grays are so fun to be able to do that. Oh, and I've been wanting to try this color because you know how much I love blues and teals and all those colors. So this is their Cobalt Blue. So check that out. I mean, you want to talk like a bright blue. This is going to be amazing. I can't wait to try that out on something. And then I have 2 more colors. I know. I'm almost done. I didn't order that much. It was a Black Friday palooza. Okay, I got the Yankee Blue, which is like a really kind of like really pretty gray blue. I like the kind of hues that's in this one, and I've been wanting to try this one. I know. And then, believe it or not, I got a white. So this is called Fluff. And you guys know how much I love, so I have their Buttercream, and now I have Fluff. Buttercream is like a little bit more yellowy. So, is that the Yankee Blue? The one that looks beautiful? So that's the Yankee Blue. I think it's so pretty. Classic. This is like a total classic color to be able to use, right? So, and then, yeah, the Fluff, which I rarely use white by itself. I don't know. I just can't do it. But it might be, it's helpful to kind of like mix and blend, and if you want to lighten up a color, brighten up a color, stuff like that. So it's fun to have it for mixing and all that good stuff. So that was it. That's all I ordered. I know, that's all I got. Oh, the Cobalt. I know. It's crazy. Look how bright that is. Ooh, it's gorgeous. I gotta find something to put it on. I do have a dresser. Maybe. I'm thinking. Let me think about that one. Sometimes it's hard for me to go really bright. And then other times I really like it. So it just depends on what I'm doing, you know? But I have a vanity that I plan on doing. And the vanity I'm actually going to be using a purple and then the Stormy Seas. I don't know if you guys have seen that. So, sorry, I can stick my brush back in there. I won't be able to find it, right? I haven't shown you guys this yet, but I guess I can. I'm such a mess. Don't judge me. All right. Oops. All right. Actually, I'll bring you up a little more if I can. I'm really sorry if I'm causing motion sickness right now. It's not really working. And I totally just messed it up even more. I hate it when it doesn't undo. So I have it on a stand right now and it's not working, so I'm really sorry. All right, let me just tilt it up. How about that? Okay, so excuse the mess that is my life. But this is a cabinet that I got that I posted, and I was like, I think I have to keep it. Well, I've totally filled it up. So I don't know if you guys can see that. That's actually not even all of my paints and what I have, but all my Dixie Belle's over here. So I will, let's see. It's tucked in the back. But Stormy Seas is a really, really pretty color. So I'll be using this color, which is super pretty. And then I'm actually going to use, there it is. If I can get it out. There's so much paint in here. It's ridiculous. And I haven't opened this one yet because I don't paint in purple very often. But this is the amethyst. So I'll probably use buttercream too. And some dark waxes. And then I'm decoupaging. So I posted actually about that piece as well. So maybe I'll paint that piece with you guys as well. Depending on how things progress, right? But yeah, now I'm gonna have to try to figure out how I'm gonna fit the new stuff in here because I'm running out of room. So yeah, anyways, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys kind of my new plan, right? And maybe I'll prep it with you guys and we can do some of this together. I can show you guys maybe a little bit about how I'm gonna do it once I figure it all out in my head. I gotta do some measurements before I do it too, but have an awesome evening. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. Did I say it was Wednesday? I don't remember. But anyways, have an awesome evening. Tomorrow's Friday, TGIF. And if you have any questions and I'm not live, go ahead, post comments below, and I will get back to you. All right, you guys, have an awesome evening.